Tramora markets its Carry On as the only luggage in the world with a built-in laptop stand. The T7 model includes features like a fold-out laptop tray, phone stand, TSA-approved lock, USB-A and USB-C charging ports, and easy access compartments. It's designed for convenience at airports, letting you work or stream on the go. The website tramora.com looks professional, offers clear product details, customer reviews, and a US-based address. They also provide shipping for free on orders over $149 and a 14-day return policy. These are good signs of legitimacy. However, Tramora is still a relatively new brand, so it doesn't have the same long-standing reputation as established luggage companies. That means buying should weigh the innovative features against the risk of limited brand history. So it appears to be a legit store, and the luggage offers unique tech-friendly features, but as with any newer brand, check reviews carefully before purchasing.